Hello all! In this tutorial, we will compare different mobile services provided by AWS and by Azure. For easy understanding, we have compared the services around different service areas, such as Pro App Development, Service Description, provides backend mobile services for rapid development of mobile solutions, Identity Management, Data Synchronization, and Storage and Notifications across devices. Provides the technology to rapidly build cross-platform and native apps for mobile devices. Provides authentication capabilities for mobile applications. App Testing, Service Description, provides services to support testing mobile applications. Analytics, Service Description, supports monitoring and feedback collection for the debugging and analysis of a mobile application service quality. Enterprise Mobility Management, Service Description, provides mobile device management, mobile application management, and PC management capabilities from the cloud. So let's first talk about the first service area, that is, Pro App Development. AWS provides Mobile Hub, Mobile SDK, Cognito. Azure provides Mobile and Xamarin Apps, Mobile Apps. Let's talk about the second service area, that is, App Testing. AWS provides AWS Device Farm. Azure provides Xamarin Test Cloud Front End. Let's talk about the third service area, that is, Analytics. AWS provides Mobile Analytics. Azure provides Hockey App, Application Insights. Let's talk about the fourth service area, that is, Enterprise Mobility Management. AWS provides no services for now. Azure provides Intune.